Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is one that every data analyst, developer or SQL learner must master. It's all about joins in SQL Server. Specifically, we will learn about inner join, the most common type, left join to include unmatched data. If you have ever worked with more than one table, joins are the key to making sense of that data. To show joins in action, let's build two basic tables, departments and employees. Now we will insert some sample data. Here we have invalid department ID, that is 4, and no department assigned, that is null. We now have a setup where some employees belongs to valid departments and some don't. This is perfect to demonstrate the difference between join types. What is a join? A join combines data from two or more tables using a related column, typically a foreign key. In our case, the shared column is department ID. Let's start with the most popular join, the inner join. An inner join returns only the rows with matches in both tables. So let's see how we will write the query. So select, we will add the select later, and let's say from we have employees table, and we can give alias as E, and the keyword is inner join. So we have to join with departments, and we will give alias as D, and we have to give on what basis we need to join this. So the syntax is on the employees department ID, that is e.dept ID should be equal to departments dept ID. So that is dept ID. Now we can select some columns from employees and some columns from department. So we'll say e.employee ID, comma e.employee name, comma d.department name from this table. So now let's execute this. So we got employee ID 101, 102, alias Bob, HR and engineering. Notice that Charlie and David don't appear here. If you see the employees table, we have Charlie and David. They are not coming in our query because inner join filters them out due to no match in departments. So this 4 and null is not there in department. So let's query department. Let's query this both. As you can see, we have only 1, 2, 3 department IDs, not 4, and even null is not there. So it will not give the results in our inner join queries. There is a way to get all this data. We will see that in future. Now let's see left join. A left join returns all records from the left table employees and the matched rows from the right table departments. If there is no match, we will get the row with null values. So the syntax for this is, instead of inner, we need to specify left join, and remaining all will be same. So let's execute. As you can see, from the employee table, we got Charlie and David, even though they are not matching. Department is not there in the departments table, so we are getting null. So this is especially useful when you want to detect missing links or incomplete data. So when to use inner join and left join. So here's a quick rule of thumb. Use inner join when you only want matching records. You are validating relationships, clean data. Use left join when you want to include everything from the main table. You want to spot missing matches or orphan records. Let's look at where joins are used every day. So to match customer orders with their profiles, fetch blog posts with author info, combine invoices with product and vendor data, identify missing links like tasks without a user or orders without payments. So joins are the bridge that let us combine the right pieces of data across tables. So here are the few best practices to keep in mind with joins. Use aliases like E, D for readability. Double check your on condition, it should use related columns. Be aware of nulls, especially with left joins. You did great. You now understand inner join and left join, two of the most widely used joins in SQL Server. Try these queries on your own datasets. Start with a customer or order model or employee or project relationship. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more SQL content and leave a comment. Until then, happy querying.